Jesus, when he was talking about his purpose, he was specific about the things that he was going to suffer. Because there is no glory without a story. Let me say that again. There is no glory without a story. There is no resurrection without a crucifixion. I'm not talking to somebody here. When people see glory in your life, they don't know your story. Look at somebody say, you don't know my story. You might be angry with me for the glory. You might be jealous of me for the glory, but you don't know the story. If I tell you my story, you will cry for me. If I tell you my story, you will not believe when you see the glory. Don't allow the glory to fool you. Don't allow the things that God has done in my life to fool you. I have a story. Look at someone say, I have a story. There is the story of my life. What you are seeing now is the end of the film. What you are seeing now is the good chapters. If I tell you about the chapters of darkness and the chapters of pain and the chapters of betrayal and crucifixion and who said and they said and she said, if I tell you the dark chapters of my life, you will understand why God had to put glory over my life. There is no glory without a story. 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 Hallelujah. And no matter how bad the glory is, no matter how bad the story is, Jesus talked about the story and then he ended with the glory. He said, after all this, I'm going to resurrect. I came to prophesy to somebody here. No matter what you go through, you will bounce back. I said, no matter what you face, you will bounce back. The crucifixion will not be the end of your story. The betrayal will not be the end of your story. The suffering will not be the end of your story. The pain will not be the end of your story. The tears will not be the end of your story. You shall resurrect. I don't know who I'm talking to here. I say you shall resurrect. You shall rise. You shall rise. You shall bounce back spiritually. You shall bounce back maritally. You shall bounce back in your career. You shall bounce back in your education. You shall bounce back. I wish I'm preaching to somebody here. People thought it is over and they look at your grave and they put a stone on the grave and then it is over and they put a seal and say it is over. But the devil is a liar. I can be in the grave for 3 days, but after 3 days I shall rise again. Look at somebody and say, I shall rise again. After 3 days I can be buried, I can be forgotten, I can be abandoned, I can be rejected, but wait for me. After 3 days, after 3 days I shall rise again. After 3 days I shall resurrect. After 3 days I shall bounce back. I have a comeback anointing. I have a comeback grace. The God that called me, it will not remain in the grave. I don't serve a dead God. I serve a living God. I don't serve a God that remains in the grave, that remains down. I serve a God that rises up again. No matter how I fall, I shall bounce back.